Alright guys, back with another unboxing. Amazon, this is what I got. Brazilian 4x4 closure in bundles. 10 inches on all of them, and they're $6.13. And I got this from April Hair. So this is what the box looks like, you guys. It's a cute little box. Oh wait, on the back it says kindly and important notes. See if you can see it that way better. Before you checking, everything is okay and satisfying. Please do not cut off the lace, take off the labels, or break the packages. Order checking and confirmation. Item, hair color, lace color, hair length as our measurement instruction, hair density. Anyway, you can be parted anywhere you want, but please part it as our instruction. If you have any problems or questions, please contact us in 7 days after receiving your goods. We will offer you satisfying solution and service. Thank you. All right, you guys. So, it's a cute little box that it comes in. It tells me here also what's in it, as well as on the side. And this is exactly what I ordered. So, we're going to open this box. I got it taped up. I mean, it's... Hold on, because it's closed up tight, honey. I can't open this. Alright, hold on, y'all. Let's get my life together. I'm sitting up here watching Aaron live at the same time. It's like I was editing the video. I got one video edited. I was editing that video when she came on live. And then she's still on live, so I decided I'm going to start on this. Let's see. Y'all, this is my first time ever buying 613 hair. And then I was like, well, let me get it from Amazon. Because I like trying Amazon companies to see how they work. Let's see if they're any good. This is so cute. Oh, it says, Dear Fairy, when you receive the hair/wig, if you feel unsatisfied, please do not rush to comment. Email us. Customer service will be as soon as possible to solve the problem for you. Leave 5 stars review. Email us. You will get a $10 refund. Make a video upload YouTube. You can get $20. If you want more style and color hair/wigs, you can follow our Instagram. And then that's their WhatsApp and their email. Alright guys, so let's see what we got. Four by 4 is what I ordered. And 10-inch. There's 3 of them. I don't even think I'm gonna need all 3 bundles though. I'm just doing a box, and I'm just gonna go to Sally's and alright, let's empty the box. I'm gonna go to Sally's and get some brown. Actually, I got some brown. I can dilute it to go on the roots, and then I could, but I was thinking maybe black on the roots and then gray it out. I don't want to ash it. I might ash it. I'm gonna fill this. I'm gonna test it out for you guys, and we'll do a review on it. But it's looking cute so far. I like it. I like the packaging. It's cute with the little box or whatever. But we'll see what it looks like.